Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Franchise India 9th Gala Awards. The first award this evening goes to New Zealand Natural. Our next award is for F&B Restaurant and QSR. The award goes to the Great Kebab Factory, UMAC Hospitality Private Limited. Congratulations to you. The best in category franchisor for financial services is ICICI Securities Limited. Congratulations. The best in category franchisor for courier and cargo goes to DTDC Courier and Cargo Limited. Our next award is the best in category franchisor for education. And the award goes to Eurokids International Limited. Congratulations. The next award is best in category franchisor for retail lifestyle. And this award goes to Gitanjali Jewel Retail Private Limited. Best in category franchisor for specialty retail. And the award goes to TTK Prestige Limited. Congratulations to you. The best in category franchisor for retail footwear. Unisex Salon and Spa. Congratulations. Best in category franchisor for retail fashion, Chabra 555 Fashions Limited. Our next award in this category is for Franchisable Concept of the Year. And the award for this year goes to the Pasta Bar Veneto. Next award is for Franchise Supplier and Innovation in Technology. And this award goes to Dial Desk. Congratulations to you. For our next set of awards, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Adam Berg from Lima, Mr. Dawn Stallwood, founder of Daintrees Associates, Mr. Severin Ziliskis, head of UAB Advance, Mr. Prakash Iyer, AVP West for Franchise India, Ms. Sonia Grover, Director, Franchise India Holdings Limited. We're going to start with the Star Retailer Awards, and the Fashion Retailer of the Year goes to Arvind Brands. Congratulations! Our next award is Food and Grocery Retailer of the Year, and this award goes to Food Bazaar. Our next award is for Food Services Retailer of the Year, and it goes to McDonald's. Our next Star Retailer Award is for the Health and Beauty Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Dr. Batra's Positive Health Clinic. Congratulations. Our next Star Retailer Award is for Consumer Durables Retailer of the Year. And this award goes to Chroma Infinity Retail Limited. The next award is for Leisure and Travel Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Da Milano Leathers Private Limited. The award that's coming up next is for Department Store of the Year, and it goes to Shopper Stop. Well, our next award is Value Retailer of the Year, and it comes as no surprise when the award goes to Big Bazaar, the biggest value retailer of the country. And our next award is E-Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Home Shop 18. Our next award is for Luxury Retailer of the Year, and it goes to C. Krishna Shetty and Sons. Our next award is for Forecourt Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Our next award is a biggie. It's a Retail Campaign of the Year, and it goes to Tanishq Titan Industries Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, singer, composer, performer par excellence, I give you Manasi Scott. To do the honors, I'd like to request Mr. Michael Kopiteke, Director, ISBS Consulting, Ms. Vandana Gandhi, Founder, British Orchard, Mr. Surat Sharma, VP Franchise India, Mr. Sanjay Bhatt, AVP North Franchise India, and Jonathan Marshall. May I request you to please join me on stage to do the honors for this set of awards, please. Our first award is the award for Business Leadership, and it goes to Cartridge World. It's the world's #1 recharging retail chain. Our next award is Franchise Professional of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Manoj Chawla. Our next award is Debutant Franchiser of the Year, and it goes to Scholars Hub. Congratulations. Our next award is for Customer Service, and it goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Congratulations. Our next award is for Franchisee of the Year, and this award goes to Mr. Deepak Bhulani, who's a franchisee of Quality Walls. Our next award is Concept of the Year, and it goes to Dream Zone, School of Creative Studies. The next award is the Shopping Mall Developer of the Year, and it goes to Palladium High Street, Phoenix. Our Hall of Fame award this year goes to Dr. Lal Path Labs Private Limited. Our Master Franchiser of the Year 2011 is Hard Rock Cafe, JSM Corporation Private Limited. Congratulations! To do the honors for this set of awards, I'd like to invite Ms. Michelle Minieri, Bradford Licensing, who's the president of Bradford Licensing. Mr. Rob Ridder, Bradford Licensing, is a partner. Ms. Ashna Sharan, CEO of Franchise India Expo. Ms. Chitra Johari, Vice President, Bradford, India. Our first award in this category is the Debutant Retailer of the Year. It goes to Calabar. Congratulations, Calabar. Our next award is for Mall of the Year, and it goes to In Orbit, Cyberabad. Congratulations. Our next award is Book and Music Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Crossword Bookstores. Congratulations. The award that's coming up next is for Retail Design of the Year, and it goes to Tanishq, Titan Industries Limited. Our next award is Retail Supplier of the Year for Design, and the award goes to Shock Design Studio. Congratulations! Our next award goes for Retail Supplier of the Year in Logistics, and this award goes to Safe Express Private Limited. The award that's coming up next is for the Most Innovative Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Ratnagiri Impex Private Limited, Agrimart. Congratulations to you. Our next award is for Retail Professional of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Rakesh Pandey. He's the President, Retail and Business Development for Raymond Limited. Our next award is for Retail Entrepreneur of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Rafiq Malik. Congratulations. He's the Chairman and Managing Director of Metro Shoes Limited. Our next award is for Licensee of the Year, and it goes to Future Consumer Enterprises Limited for the Walt Disney brands. Our next award is for International Retailer of the Year, and it goes to Binhendi Enterprises LLC, Dubai, UAE. The next set of awards is to acknowledge contributions of such individuals who set entrepreneurial trends in various categories. To do the honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Gaurav Maurya, President, Franchise India Holdings Limited, Mr. Donald Borean, Chairman and CEO of Francop USA, Mr. Tony White, RGM, Gloria Jeans Coffees. May I please invite them on stage to do the honors. Our first award in this category is Entrepreneur of the Year, and it goes to Mr. Harish Behel from the Smile Group. This is the licensing and merchandising arm of Turner International. It's increased its footprints in retail space and has blazed a trail in the last 2 years. Our next award this evening is Retailer of the Year. And this award goes to Titan Industries Limited. Congratulations. Our last award this evening is Franchiser of the Year. And this award goes to NIIT Limited. Can I please invite the entire team on stage?